So guys, late afternoon or lunchtime breakout are generally a rare phenomenon in the market. Here we are during US lunch hour and market trying to break this session highs. Will it be successful? Well, we have bid in Microsoft making session highs, if that helps. Meta approaching session highs. Remember, Nvidia had a small gap left at the midpoint. In the open, it made a run, but it fell short of that midpoint gap fill. And now it could be second or third attempt. I can show you Nvidia chart if it helps you. Or we can see over here. So you can see, right, Microsoft, this is Nasdaq approaching session highs. Microsoft, you can see, right, already making a session high here. Nvidia, right, it came short here. It left a small gap for the complete gap fill, went down. And other thing which is looking good is Meta, right, midpoint starting to bounce. Google is also in the race, you can see, right, good pop. But I think it's Microsoft which is very strong, followed by Nvidia looking good. Tesla, which was dropping and was very bearish, has finally found a bottom here, double bottom, and starting to pop. But yes, definitely could go for the gap fill. Yes, does not have a lot of room left here. Just needs another 14 points to go for the gap fill. We'll see. So here's another attempt to break this highs. You want some volume to step in. If big volume can step in at the break of this highs, I can hold trade much better for a bit longer, take profits. But if there is no volume stepping in at the breakout, we might have to restrict to 140 or maybe 145 kind of a zone for take profit. Guys, be ready for this kind of sessions more often during the summer. Have right exp. Can we get into 140? Always has good volume. 140 or 40, 80, 20s. Can we tag 140? It is starting to look good. I'm going to raise my target beyond 40. Microsoft looking strong, Google looking strong, Meta, Nvidia is still trying to conquer previous highs. So I'm okay to book my profit, guys. We have achieved the successful breakout again on a very slow afternoon lunch hour time. It might come to retest this previous broken top, and it is normal. If at all, I have to give at least this much of wiggle room to let it retest this previous broken top. And if it pushes, I might get one more push up on the upside. Let's see. It is making another attempt to make another highs. So you got to give a little bit of wiggle room, at least to let it retest the previous broken tops. And if we pump, we might get more higher prices here. At least I have to give below 130 some room, this candle at least. A stronger push, I might take a stop out, yeah. But a good trade, guys. At least we made some profit. And again, this is a very slow afternoon lunch hour trading. So such things are normal. Breakouts. Hope you enjoyed watching that. Make sure you hit like.